Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be talking about Adit. Yeah, that's his name on Instagram. That's how I found him. Aditya basically makes content on YouTube, which is his high effort content, I guess. I think he posts like a video a month approximately, and yeah, he has 3.5k subscribers, which is very respectable number. Yeah, it's a pretty good number. I think guys, I want to talk about feminism and body positivity because that's what we need. Another boy talking about feminism. However, I do have the card to talk about body positivity because I- I'm kind of I'm in the chubby zone. I'm in the chubby zone. Anyway, yeah, I don't have any personal grudges with him, right? I don't hate him. I don't know him personally to hate him, right? So the thing is, he made videos. His top 10 videos, out of them 8 are on women. Almost 5 of them have the word feminism in them. Also might have the word hate on them. So, the thing is, we're going to be talking about feminism and body positivity, but we're going to use Adit Yagi videos as a catalyst. Thing is, Adit Yaha made a video, his most famous video, which is on Komal Pandey and how she is using the body positivity. I can't. She's using the body positivity movement for her and her fake body positivity. The video is called Komal Pandey and her fake body positivity. इसके अंदर पहले हाफ में आदित्य भैया ने हमें बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी की डेफिनेशन दी. His definition was this.
तो इससे पहले मैं मोटे लोगों की गांड मारूं, पहले तुम्हें बता देता हूं कि बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी एक्चुअली में होता क्या है. तो जैसे तुम्हारी स्किन टोन हो गई, अगर तुम्हें एक्ने होता है, तुम्हें पिंपल होता है, तुम्हारे स्ट्रेच मार्क्स, और अगर तुम्हारे कोई डिसफिगर्ड फेशियल फीचर्स या कोई और बॉडी पार्ट है, तो उन चीज़ों के लिए जो तुम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, जिसमें तुम्हारा कोई हाथ नहीं है वो चीज़ वैसी होने में, तो उसको लेके शर्म महसूस ना करना और उसको लेके प्राउड फील करना. खैर प्राउड तो नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट एक्सेप्ट करना कि हाँ ये मैं हूँ एंड आई डोंट गिव अ फक. So that is being body positive according to me. और I hope so तुम्हारे लिए भी यही या इसी आसपास ऐसा ही कुछ होता हो.
Now I'm going to tell you guys what the actual definition. The body positivity movement is a social movement focused on empowering overweight individuals while also challenging the ways in which society presents and views the physical body. The movement advocates the acceptance of all bodies regardless of physical ability, size, gender, race, or appearance. This is the definition that Wikipedia has, not me. People who are educated have updated the Wikipedia website for this definition to become the appropriate one. It does not say कि अगर तुम मोटे हो तो मोटे रहो. It basically means even if you're fat, it does not reduce your self-worth. That's what it means. However, Aditya Bhaiya did not read it correctly, let's just say. Because he said, अगर तुम मोटे हो तो तुम पतले हो सकते हो. तो तुम चूतिया हो. Scene tense. Right? The curtain closes. However, Aditya Bhaiya comes in as the protagonist once more, only to reveal that he was fat once too. Damn. Yo, Aditya Bhaiya looking kind of fine though with his tricep in his Instagram. But the thing is, Aditya Bhaiya, फैट हर एक की बॉडी में एक तरीके से स्टोर नहीं होता. नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट फिजिकल एजुकेशन. तुम में से जितनों ने एजुकेशन वाला पार्ट स्किप कर रखा है और फिजिकल पे ध्यान देते हो बिकॉज बाउंसर बनना है. वीडियो में आप आगे चले ऐसे 2-3 बार ना ऐसे टैप 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 कर दो दाहिने हाथ पे, आगे हो जाएगा. टिप. ओके कूल. नाउ people's bodies does not store fat the same way in every body. The thing is, एक बंदे की बॉडी में हो सकता है कि फैट पेट में जमा होता हो और दूसरे बंदे की बॉडी में हो सकता है फैट आर्म्स में जमा होता हो ज्यादा. This is genetic and is completely natural to their own body. Also, people don't gain weight or lose weight similarly to each other too. Some people might have some illness which causes them to gain weight. For example, thyroid. Thyroid is a very common condition which actually forces people's body to gain weight. It becomes significantly harder to lose that weight. Also, if you have depression or any subsequent illness, the antidepressants can actually boost your weight gaining process. Even one of the symptoms of depression may be overeating or not eating at all, which causes the body to gain a lot of mass or lose a lot of mass regarding the situation. So, यहाँ पे we can't really treat everybody the same way. And that is why the body positivity movement was initiated. Now, Aditya Bhaiya also mentions that each and every person in the video is a female, which I applaud him for. It is good that he's self-aware. He's just not aware. The thing is, the body positivity movement and the feminist movement is very closely related because body shaming has been most commonly and most passively been done on women. Throughout history, there have been standards that women had to comply to. Now, the body positivity movement was a movement that gave women freedom, and that is why the feminist movement supported it. Heck, the feminist movement also supported a lot of other subsequent issues in the social sphere. For example, the trans rights movement. People to express themselves freely because it followed the same ideal that the feminist movement followed. Now, he talks about Komal Pandey and how she got work done. Thing is, Aditya Bhaiya, even though one can support other people being positive about their body, it does not necessarily mean कि मैं खुद भी पॉजिटिव हूँगा अपनी बॉडी के बारे में. थिंग इज, अगर मैं किसी को बोल रहा हूँ ब्रो तेरे को डाइट पे जाने की जरूरत है, डज नॉट नेसेसरली मीन कि मैं हर समय ब्रोकलीज खाता रहता हूँ. I can just give them free advice while battling the same thing because it's not a competition, it's not setting a standard, it is about breaking the standard, it is about breaking the mold that you all have to comply to. तुम्हारी बॉडी को लेकर एक जो स्टैंडर्ड बन चुका है, जो लोग परसीव करते हैं तुम्हें जिस तरीके से, तुम्हें उसको ब्रेक करना है. एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू आर अगेंस्ट, Aditya Bhaiya. I don't see how you don't understand this, or if you do, why you don't acknowledge this. I use you because one of the videos that you made recently was very disappointing to everybody. And yeah, I just want to talk about that because I believe you have an audience which is very gullible. You brand your humor as misogynistic humor, but at the end of the day, is it really humor or is it just misogyny? अगर तुम्हारा जोक सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसलिए चलता है बिकॉज इट हैज शॉक वैल्यू, बिकॉज कि ओ ये बंदा ऐसे कैसे बोल सकता है, इज इट रियली अ जोक और इज इट जस्ट outrage? I don't know. I'm just a 17-year-old fat boy. Bye.